Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn a really cool song by Sum 41, Pieces. This song is quite easy and you only need 4 simple chords to play it. They are D minor, B flat, F and C. Having said that, let's start working on the verse. But before that, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel. I don't like to say these things, but it will really help me if you do. And it doesn't cost you anything. The strumming pattern for the verse goes like this. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. One more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. If you're not familiar with the strumming pattern, spend some time learning it, as it can be quite useful for a lot of songs that have this vibe. This is the chord progression for the verse. This chord progression is one of the most common chord progressions in pop, rock, and many more styles. You can also refer to it as 6 minor 4 1 5. If you would like to learn more about these things, let me know in the comments. Now let's play it using the strumming pattern you just learned. 3, 4, D minor, B flat, F, C, D minor, B flat, F, C. Okay, time to work on the chorus. As you probably know if you follow me, it's better to use different strumming patterns for different sections of a song. This is even more important in songs that don't have a lot of chord changes, like Pieces. So the strumming pattern that I suggest for the chorus goes like this. 3, 4, down, 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 down. One more time. 3, 4, down, 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 down. This is a typical rock strumming pattern. When you play this pattern, try to give an accent on the third and on the last downstroke, like this. 3, 4, down, 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 down. So what I was doing was playing those strums louder. Another thing that you can do is strum quieter all the other downstrokes. And a way to do this can be to just strum the top 2 strings of the ukulele, like this. 3, 4. And again, down, 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 down. This is the chord progression, which is almost the same as the one from the verse. This chord progression is repeated twice, and then you simply strum B flat and wait for 2 measures. Let's play the entire chorus now so that you understand better what I mean. 3, 4, B flat, B flat, F, C, B flat, B flat, F, C, B flat, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After the first chorus, they have a post-chorus, where they basically play one chord progression from the verse. Here you can simply use the same strumming pattern you used in the verse. Okay, now you know the main parts of the song, but if you wanna play it all, you're missing the intro and the bridge. In the song, they have a short intro where they basically play one chord progression from the verse without singing. Then, after the second chorus, instead of the post-chorus, they have a bridge. This is the part where the guitar plays a solo. This is the chord progression for the bridge. You will need to add an extra chord to your initial 4, A. Here you can use a simple strumming pattern, like this one. 3, 4, down, 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 down. Alternatively, you can work out your own strumming pattern. In the description, you can find a tutorial to help you do that. The song ends with the chorus, and after the last B flat, there's no post-chorus, but they just strum an F chord. Now you know how to play the entire song, so let's have a play along where I'm gonna be playing the verse and the chorus, and then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of Pieces. The tempo will be 100 BPM. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of pieces by Sum 41, so that you can put together your own cover of it. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, this song is quite simple, but if you want to make it a bit more interesting, consider using alternative chord shapes. You can learn more about those in this video. On my Patreon page, you can find the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. By the way, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. If you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process to follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And if you are into punk rock, check out my tutorial for What's My Age Again by Blink-182. I'm sure you'll like it. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao!